Hello friends, welcome back to Elfast Tech. And today in this video we are going to unbox a new product of our Oraimo, and you can see this is the product we are going to unbox today. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the unboxing. And now let's unbox this our Oraimo product from here. And you can see the brand name of our Oraimo smart accessories, and you can see True Wireless Full Freedom, and you can see 3 ports too, and you can see 365 days of warranty is also showing in this product. And you can see all the features are showing in this box: instant connection, rich sound, sweat proof, and powerful charging case, lightweight and intuitive control by touch. And it's the free ports with our touch sensor in the every earbuds. And now let's open this box from here, and you can see it's a magnetic box of our Oraimo, and just peel off from here, and you can see a plastic peel, and I'll just remove from here. And after that you can see this is the free ports of our Oraimo, and you can see a better packaging of our Oraimo, and this is the free ports of our Oraimo. And just peel off this cover from here, and now let's take our free ports from here, and you can see our Oraimo free ports, and just open here, and you can see the brand name in our Oraimo free ports. And here is the fingerprint sensor in our free ports, and just keep it in a side. And you can see the indicators of our charger also showing here, and you can see the charging slot and etc. And now let's check what's inside this box. And you can see a small black box also showing having in this box, and take off this black box from here. And after that you can see just open from here, and after that you can see a charging cable of our free ports, and just keep it in the side. And after that something is also else in this box. Oh, it's our user manual or welcome guide of our Oraimo, and if you want you can also read this for controlling your free ports from here. And the standing time of this free port is, you can see 500 mAh battery and 3.7 volt and serial number and input, and here you can also see the model number. And now let's check out the standby hours of our Oraimo. And in the back side of this box you can see instant connection, touch control, stay charged, and here you can see Oraimo technology, please keep well received, and here you can see the wireless compatibility and etc. And here you can see the lab test result, and in this here you can see BT version B5.0, and it also talk range is also up to 10 meters, and you can see battery capacity is 37 mAh per earbuds, and in the case battery is 500 mAh, and the battery life is up to 82 hours standby time or 3.5 hours play time and 3 hours talk time, and case provides up to 6 full charges of our free ports, and it's the better specifications of our Oraimo free ports. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and if you like our video please share to your friends and subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching our video.